Hello and welcome back to my channel, Bobby Rose DIY Home. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't already, like, make any comments, tell me what you would do differently, ask any questions, and share this video. In this video today, we'll be making this. All it is a edible arrangement container that I found at Goodwill for $1.97. And here are a few things that you will need. The ceramic or glass container, the trims of your choice, hot glue gun and glue sticks, spray paint, color of your choice. You can use a gloss clear coat, which is optional. I started off with a white, sort of like a vase. Spray painted it gold, and my favorite Rust-Oleum 2X metallic gold. And as you can see here, my Dollar Tree trims, my pearls, and my pearl wrap. So this is really an inexpensive project. At first I spray painted and I put a clear coat of gloss clear, also from Rust-Oleum. And here are the pearl blings. This is what they look like. They're just border stickers. $1. I did not use the entire pack. And here are the faux pearls. I did not use the entire pack. And the strips, they come with adhesive, so I did not need to add any additional glue. They just stick right on. I measured the length that I needed and just peeled and stick them on. I really think you'll have fun with this. This is quick, simple, and easy. Now it's time to get your hot glue gun out and throw those pearls on. All it takes is a little punch of glue there and just put your pearl on. They hold really easy. Now you see me putting every other pearl on, but at the end you'll see where I added more pearls. I really did enjoy this quick, simple project. It was really a lot of fun. And who doesn't like pearls? Now you can also use bling wrap. You can use gold, silver, whatever color that you find that will go with your decor where you will be putting this at. And why I suggested a ceramic or glass is because you can change it out and use it for a candle holder. So if you're going to use it for a candle holder, you want to make sure it's something that's not going to melt. You'll see at the end what I will be using mine for. I think this came out so cute, and I just really like it. You will really enjoy making this. The video is quite short. That tells you how quickly it can be done. Like I say, this is an edible arrangement container that I picked up at Goodwill for like $1.97. Now if you have something around the house, just look around in your cabinet, in your kitchen cabinets. You may have something that you won't have to go out looking for them. Just upcycle whatever you have. I've had this for like 4 or 5 years. I've had a plant in it. All I did was wash it out and spray paint it. You see, I added more pearls and I added a little more of the border down at the bottom. That's my trusty metallic gold paint from Rust-Oleum. As you can see, like I said, I added more pearls. I just love it. And here are my shower fizzes that I keep in it. It's in my bathroom. I just think this is so adorable. I really do love it. This is something that I will enjoy for quite some time. And if I want to change up, I can use it for a candle holder. I think it gives my bathroom that more relaxing spa kind of feel. Some of you commented that you love the music. Here's the music credits. Once again, I would like to thank you all for tuning in. For my videos, please subscribe. I want to get my subscriber base really high. Let's try to make it to 100,000. Anyway, thank you. Come again.